Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I will show you how to calculate the return of the portfolio securities in Python. Alright, so in order to proceed, we will start with importing some important libraries and our stocks, which is Petroleum, Ford, Exxon, Lincoln and Apple. These are the five stocks. Okay, and we will get the data from 2001, 2000 onwards. Okay, till date. So first what I will do, I will import the lab basic libraries in pandas. I will use a Jupyter notebook as an IDE, which is very friendly. So we'll import pandas, numpy, matplotlib, datetime and pandas readers as a PDF. The important thing is you need to install this all libraries, and in case if these libraries are not available in your Jupyter notebook, simply what you need to do, you need to just hit escalatory map or pip install and the whichever library it is missing. Okay, I have installed all libraries, so I will not install it again. Next is a identification. So first I need this five stock, so I have taken this five tickers. Okay, tickers is nothing but the not symbol of that particular stock in the stock market. All right, and for this stock we will use a yfinance library. Okay, so I will create then the next open and empty data frame. Okay, so this is a pandas data frame which I have created it. Then I will use a for loop to get the adjust close price. Adjust close price is nothing but the final adjust price by the end of this day. Okay, and so syntax is pdr dot get data yahoo in bracket t for t in tickers my data t, then in bracket t and start date I have given 2000. You can give even any starting date which you want. Okay, so for simplicity I will only use adjust close price. Okay, so I will first import all these libraries, so it will take a couple of seconds. Then I will prepare my data set. So my empty data frame is ready. Now I will just check what is happening in my empty data frame. All right, super. So in this case I can see like the latest data has been fetched as on 1st August 2023. Okay, so it is a 18 years data. Now I will normalize this data to 100. Normalize, how you can normalize this data? We can normalize by any price by divided by price of the start. Okay, that is called the normalization. All right, so here in this case what I will check, I will check my data dot ilog 0. Okay, so this is my first row. You can see this is first row, 19, 13, 18, 21 and 0.84. Okay, so you can see this is the first row. I will normalize this data, my data divided by my data dot ilog 0 into multiply by 100. Okay, and I will try to visualize how it looks like. So it looks like a graphical representation. From this thing we can conclude that Apple is definitely the dark horse which has outnumbered all the rest of the players in the market. Okay, second one is a little bit about Exxon. Okay, so these are clearly visible to us that Apple stock price is abnormally high compared to the other stock price. Now let us see if we don't normalize the data how it will looks like. So otherwise it will looks like in this range. So in this graph also, okay, we can see that Apple is also top notch performers. Okay, but this will not give us the relative performance. So in order to keep all in a same range, we have to keep it as a normalized curve. Now next thing is how to calculate the return, uh, daily return. Okay, so daily, what is the principle of daily return? Daily return is nothing but the what is the stock price of today and what was the stock price of yesterday. Okay, so we will take a difference and we'll divide by the stock price of yesterday. So I will take my data return is equal to my data divided by my data dot shift one. Now this shift one is the function in Python that will put one step backward. So say for example, this is my today's this is my yesterday's record, and this is my today's record. Okay, so this 4 minus 3 divided by 3. Okay, so 19.53 minus 19.63 divided by 19.63. So this becomes the shift. Now going forward, I'll put what is my return. So it is plotted in the daily return. First record will be NAND because there is no record or the previous of that record. That is well understood. Okay, now this is my portfolio. So what is the weight of my portfolio? Portfolio is nothing but the collection of the different stock, and it will sum up to one. So say for example, in one basket there are five fruits. So okay, so basket is one, but the fruits are five that are kept inside the basket. Likewise, portfolio, the portfolio is one and five stocks are in that portfolio. So we'll give the equal weightage. So say for example, this point to point 2 will sum up to 1, and so weights would be equally 0.20. Okay, now we'll check the annual return. So what is annual return? So you can you can take the mean of this return and multiply by 250. Why 250? Usually the days are 365, but the trading days are only 250 or 251 something, and it will only trade from Monday to Friday. Okay, and on top of it, on some holidays, there would also be off on the weekdays. Okay, so for simplicity, we will take a 250 days. So this is our average rate of return. Okay, now we will put in some percentage form. This is an individual performance. Okay, now we will take an average return of this five stock for our portfolio. So this is a portfolio return, that is 14.67. All right, so this is what it indicates. It indicates that if we have bought the stock at 2000, the and as on 1st August 2023, our portfolio would have given us 14.67% annually. Okay, so let us plot our portfolio return, how it looks like. So it gives us the indication that this British Petroleum, it has given almost less than 10%, and this Lincoln, it has given us nearly 15%, and Apple is definitely the winner. It has given us roughly 31% on year. Okay, so this is a way to create the portfolio return in Python. If you have any question, feel free to ask. I will share this notebook with you, don't worry. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Bye.